Welcome to Planyway. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features of Planyway so you can get started quickly and easily. With Planyway Timeline, you can clearly see who is doing what and when across your team. Add multiple projects to the Planyway sidebar to track your team's work across all projects in one place. Adjust the schedule easily by dragging and dropping tasks on the timeline. If you're using dates in Jira, your issues will automatically appear on the timeline based on Jira dates. And if you're working with sprints, you can show tasks on the timeline based on their sprints. To assign and schedule tasks, simply drag them from your task list onto the timeline. You can do the same with subtasks. Just drag and drop them on the timeline to schedule. Group the timeline by team to get an overview of the workload at the team level. With Planyway, you can build clear and visual project roadmaps. Group the timeline by projects to see everything at a glance. Highlight important milestones to mark key achievements along the way. Keep track of task statuses and other crucial information by adding custom fields directly to the timeline. You can scale the timeline to create long-term plans and manage your projects efficiently. Once you've created your roadmap, easily share it with stakeholders by exporting it as a PDF or sharing a direct link to the exact view you've set up. To learn more, be sure to check out our next videos.